literally print money out of thin air. You can make and earn at least 1 million naira in the next 60 days. So how would that happen? Just by mining CatCoin for free. What is CatCoin? CatCoin is the native cryptocurrency of the ChatAny platform, and ChatAny is the first virtual social platform of the next generation metaverse that supports global users to make friends, live, and entertain without borders on the basis of location branch services functionality. Now, this is a breakthrough idea, and I feel like this is innovation. And you know what I always say, whenever you see innovation, money is coming. Now, the users can find nearby persons or users from anywhere in the world, and you're interested in real time, and you can easily start conversations with them. And this platform has a native cryptocurrency plugged on the blockchain called CATSTAR. Now, right now, CATSTAR is ChatAny's native cryptocurrency, and they are giving you an opportunity to mine this coin for free. So literally you can mine this coin for free and earn money. Now you can see on your screen this particular wallet has been mining this coin. Currently available on PLAYSTORE. You can download the app with someone's referral link or referral code and you can get started. So how can you make money from this? Now, every time you download your app, you start mining. But when you invite your friends to use your link to sign up and, mine the coin, you get increased rates of mining the coin. Currently, the default rate is around 0.02 cats per second. So if you are inviting friends, the more friends you have, the faster the coins you can mine. So literally, you can accumulate this coin just by inviting people to mine. At the same time, you're mining and they don't need to put a dime down. A beautiful thing is, look at the top right of your screen, you see an icon buyback in a gift box. And if I tap that right now, you're going to see how much quantity, of my coin that CatStar is willing to buy back upon the milestone that is going to be hit. Now you can read about the buyback amount, buyback qualification, and the buyback criteria, the buyback time, and all of that. Now you can see. Simple. Now, just 106 of my friends, of my contacts are currently mining, even though I have referred over 200 and something people. Now, the point is, do you want to make money or you want to make excuses? I can't remember the last time that I posted on Facebook, but because of this, it is free money, right? I had to go post on Facebook and a lot of people started signing up. Now, do you really want to make money? You have your smartphone with you, or you want to make excuses? That's the point. By January, they will be doing a buyback, and the people that have built the ecosystem and referred people to mine for free will be receiving USDT quantity that is corresponding to the quantity of CATSTAR they have mined. So you want to take this as a serious thing. Now, how does 1 million naira sound to you by January 2023? January is a very long month, and sometimes it's not a funny period, and you can take this literally from nothing and make money. You can literally go to the streets, meet people with Android phones, help them install the phones in your office, in your gym, in the marketplace. Now, I'm not an ambassador for this platform, but I'm just concerned about people who are broke and not making money. And there are opportunities like this. Why not challenge yourself? Why not take it as a personal goal to tell yourself, I will bring 100 people to sign up. They are not going to put a dime down. And you can register for, they're not even doing KYC right now. Later on, you can do KYC. Alright, so good enough. Everybody who mines get value from the platform. And you as well, as they're using your link, you have increased value because you'll be able to mine this coin for free. And mind you, what you're seeing on your screen is just a 1 week activity so far. So imagine if I do this till the end of December, I could probably and possibly be sitting on at least $3,000. Now, multiply that by 830, which is the current naira to dollar rate. So we really do not have excuses. Now, that would be a minimum of 2.5 million naira by January, just from a free mining. So opportunities in the digital space are flying everywhere. You just need to calm down and know how best to latch in. And as I speak to you, CATSTAR is a good start. CATSTAR is a good start. Now look at it here. Team 108. You can see 108. But I've referred a total of 244. Okay. And if you go to my profile here on the right, you're going to see my wallet. I just clicked on that. It's going to go far, and then you'll see the quantity of cats in total that I have mined, 588,196, and the USDT equivalent of this is 1,176. So as it is now, this is the quantity. So like I said, by December I could have mined up to $3,000 worth of this coin, and if they are doing a buyback, that will be credited to my wallet and I'll be able to cash that out. Alright, so take this seriously. Send to all your friends, your colleagues and everything. And this is pretty interesting. It's a social platform. We all know decentralization is the new order of the day, and projects are building solutions on the blockchain platform, and these guys have a fund of over $1 million that are going to be using to purchase this CATSTAR back. And if you do your research, you're going to see that, look at it, 1 million USDT buyback. So this is how you're going to be cashing out. By the time you have mined enough, go through your app and read all of these things. I've read through, and it's a serious project. The DAO team, they are very detailed in how they are expressing their roadmap and their project methodology. So guys, I just thought to stop by and share this with you. So take your CATSTAR mining seriously, and remember, every 12 hours all you need to do is go to the home page and click mining. Currently is remaining 1 hour 54 minutes for this particular version or this particular session to come to an end, and all I need to do is just set my alarm and tap. It doesn't cost you anything. Set your alarm to remind you every 12 hours and mine CATSTAR, and in 60 days you could possibly make $1 million or more from nothing. God bless you. Take action. Have a fantastic time.